Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions, with another new video. Today, I will show some important shortcut keys for Windows 10. So, let's go for do this. Press Windows key plus Control plus D to create a new virtual desktop and switch to it. Press Windows key plus Control plus F4 to close virtual desktop and switch to the previous window. Now, press Windows key plus M4, minimize all windows which open. Press Windows key plus I to open up the Windows 10 setting panel. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run command. Press Windows key plus Q to open up Cortana, which ready for voice input. Now, you can see some important shortcut keys. Press Ctrl plus A to the selected all file. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the selected file. Press Ctrl plus V to paste the selected file. Press Ctrl plus X to cut the selected file. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.